Welcome to this tutorial on how to load your evaluation document. So yesterday I shared to you a folder with all of the eval docs in it, and then I also shared to you your team, PLC, whatever's website. So the new Google sites actually live right in Google Drive, and if you're looking, they have an icon that looks just like this. Okay, so initially the best thing to do is to go to your shared with me, and you're going to see an icon right up here. Most recently that was shared. Right click on it and click move to, and then put it in your drive. Okay, and once you do that and move it, click move here, it'll be in your drive. So now you're in your Google Drive and you've got your teacher eval website up. It will look something like this. All right, so you're going to have your name, and under your name you're going to have the date 2018. Okay, we go back to our email, we find the folder I sent to you yesterday, we open it, and we find the eval doc that we need. Now everybody is on a different eval cycle, so you need to go back into your email and check to see where exactly you are on the cycle. And you can see that I myself am summative this year. Okay, so find your name and it'll tell you what document you're supposed to have. Find the document. For example, I'm in my summative year. Open it up. And now, in order to make this yours, you will need to do a file, make a copy. Go ahead and call it 2018 Smith Teacher Eval and hit OK. Now I have editing rights to this document. Okay, I can type on it. Now before I go any further, I want to get my share permissions correct. Remember that your whole team, PLC, whatever, has access to that website, but they won't be able to view your form unless you let them. So we need to at minimum share this document to admin, and then feel free to share it with whoever else you want to. I mean, if you want to work within your PLCs with some peer review stuff, it's entirely up to you to do that. But you need to at least have it shared to these 4 people. Please unclick notify, or they will all get an email from all 99 staff members, and hit OK. All right, so now I've got my eval doc. It is shared correctly. I now need to go put it on my site. So I find my name, I find my subpage 2018, and then over on the Insert tab I simply want to insert a Google Doc. Now because I just created this document, it's more than likely going to be right up here at the top. I click it and my eval doc is now embedded on my site. Okay, so again, it's pretty easy to do. Now you'll see when I go to home, which by the way you can put your PLC notes there and everything, everybody has access to that, but now when I click on 2018 I can see my eval document right here and it's good to go. So like I said, get your eval sites all up. Once everybody's in, we can go ahead and publish all these sites, and then admin will have access to them. So that's how you do your teacher eval site this year.